Step 1 in programming a garage door on a new 2025 GMC Acadia is finding the customer.
Welcome to Jeff Perry View GMC.
How are you?
What's your name?
Carter.
Nice to meet you, Carter. I'm Colin. Are you here to work with anybody here in specific?
Nope, just here to see an Acadia.
Absolutely.
After the proper road to the sale, you both come to a win-win agreement, and Carter purchases the 2025 Acadia.
Thank you so much for your business.
Thank you. Carter feels like he got an absolutely amazing deal.
Congratulations, Carter. You are now part of the family.
Sweet.
After a few days of owning his brand new 2025 GMC Acadia, Carter comes back for a follow-up visit and has a couple questions for Colin.
Colin, I cannot figure it out. How do I program my garage door opener? I've been trying for days. Can't get it.
Absolutely. That's something I can for sure help you with. If you need to take it back to your house and repair it, I can do that for you as well.
For real?
Absolutely.
Carter's really excited about this.
You can see here Colin explaining to Carter how you first have to hit the learn or training button on the actual garage door motor. Next, while parked outside of the garage door, locate the universal home remote button on the all-new Acadia's 15-inch screen by going to Controls, See More Controls, clicking Universal Remotes, Add Remote, click Yes, take your remote, hold it up towards the rear view mirror, we'll search for signal. Once you have signal, you can hit test. You can tell it that it worked. And now your universal home remote will pop up when you get close to your garage door.
Colin, how did you learn how to do that?
Very simple. Right from the My GMC app inside the car, just hit that button, Carter. Now you have your owner's manual, and you can search or browse all categories.
Really?
Absolutely. There it is.
Are you kidding me? Are you serious?
Yep.
Step-by-step instructions.
Yeah. Right on your screen. It's pretty incredible. Technology's amazing.
Wow.
Yeah, as the kids say, boom shakalaka.
Wow. Much, Colin. No problem. Appreciate it.
And that, folks, that's customer service, as the kids say, this drizzling lid.